First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create AI videos with multiple camera shots, start by planning the scene like a real film production. Decide what you want the audience to see first, what action should happen next, and which camera angles will best tell the story. Begin with a wide establishing shot. This shows the environment and gives viewers a clear understanding of where the scene is taking place. Next, create a medium shot that focuses on the main character or subject. Describe the subject's action and keep the environment consistent with the previous shot. Then create close-up shots for important details or emotions. For example, you could show a character looking at a mysterious object, followed by a close-up of the character's face, and then a detailed shot of the object. When writing each Veo AI prompt, clearly describe the camera angle, subject, action, lighting, environment, and visual style. Keep the character's appearance, clothing, location, and lighting consistent across all shots. You can use different camera movements such as a slow push-in, tracking shot, pan, tilt, or orbit when appropriate. Avoid changing too many elements at the same time because this can make continuity harder to maintain. Generate each camera shot separately and review the clips before moving to the next one. If one shot doesn't match the previous scene, adjust the prompt and regenerate it. Once you have all the required shots, arrange them in a video editor. Place the shots in a logical sequence and use cuts or smooth transitions to connect them. Add narration, dialogue, music, sound effects, and other elements to complete the scene. Finally, watch the entire sequence and check the camera continuity, character consistency, lighting, movement, and overall story.